Good morning. It's been some time since it's been what? A few days since we've been here? 3 days. And this is our first big trip in Jamaica. We're going to spend some time in Ocho Rios today. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at Dunn's River and we're in the parking lot and we're walking down to pay and head in. Excited, son?
Yeah.
Now, Dunn's River is famous for a reason, and it has a right to be. It is so pretty. And this is just the top, we still have to walk down. Very nice, well kept, there are nice pathways, and then there are places like that, decks. There are decks like that where you could stop, relax, eat lunch, or just take in the beauty of the falls. It is set up so well. As you can see there, that's the bridge where the cars passes over. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's it right there. So there's a section where we walk underneath the bridge to get down to the beach. And when they climb back up, you have to climb underneath the bridge itself in the water. So we're here at the bottom of the falls, Dunn's River, where it comes down and it flows into the beach. And look at that beach. There's my son there going into the waterfall there. He's enjoying it a lot. It's so good to finally show my family this. So we just did the Dunn's River Falls. How was it, guys?
Real good.
Good.
Real good.
Excellent. Yeah, it was pretty good, nice fresh water, but we're pretty hungry now, so we have to go and get something to eat. After Dunn's River, we're in Mystic Mountain and we're going to do the canopy tour, you know, taking the chairlift up to the top of the mountain, and we're going to do the bobsled. Should be pretty exciting. Alright, we're going to sit on the tour now.
Stand
kind of...
Stand up your feet.
You wanna look down? Stand there.
Alright, so when it come around, 3, 2, 1, sit! Stretch the legs.
Legs forward.
There you go, perfect. Pull the camera in now. Pull the camera in.
Yeah, man.
There you go.
Alright, I'm freaking out. This is too high. So we're on the sky tour. Look at the view. Whoa. So we're here at the Lookout Tower in Mystic Mountain. Check that view out of Ocho Rios. Really, really nice. So we're going to chill a little bit, then we're going to do the bobsled. Excellent. Alright, so we're going to leave Mystic Mountain. That's the chair behind us. We're just waiting on our turn. Take the ride back down. So how was Mystic Mountain, Vanny?
Real good.
Real good. How was the bobsled?
Real good.